Oh no, it's 7:30.
What time is it?
It's 7:30.
Yeah. Oh no! Let's go!
Good morning. Get up.
Hi, Mom. Five more minutes, please, Ploo.
No. Wake up, honey. Go to the bathroom. Brush your teeth, son. Wash your face. Hurry up. Here you are.
Put it on. Fast, too. You look good.
Breakfast is ready. Sit down, please.
Drink milk, please. I want soda.
No, Tom. Soda is not good.
Okay, Mom. I like sandwiches. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, check. A bag?
Yes, yes.
Lunchbox?
Yes.
Water?
Yes. Yes.
Homework? Where is it?
It's on the table.
I have it.
"10 minutes. Let's go."
Oh no, my hair!
Mom, you look good.
Thank you, Tom.
Bag?
Yes.
Lunchbox?
Yes.
Water?
Yes. Wait. My toy car.
Oh. Tom?
It's here.
Here you are.
Thank you, Dad. Good morning.
Morning. Get in, please. Eddie.
Seatbelts, please. Wow! Wow!
Look at that!
I see it! It's so big! I like school. Me too. Mom, what do we do at school?
We learn. We read. We play.
Oh no, traffic.
It's okay. It's okay. We are near the school.
We are here. Thank you.
Have a good day, Tom.
Okay, Dad. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye, Dad.
See you later.
Have a good day. Wow! Wow! Big playground. Oh! Hello, Anna.
Hello, Teacher Sarah.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, Teacher Sarah.
Come in, please. Come in, please.
Bye. Bye.